Alright, we'll leave you here. And we'll travel in this. We'll come back for the Segway, don't worry. We're not abandoning it. Got all these items. Explore and check. Batteries, nice. Big batteries, can't do anything with them. Ooh, case. Tape, nice. I can't do anything with you. Moose versus golf carts. Who will win? Let's find out. GTA! Oh, you are a big boy. Okay. And is that Crash playing? Okay, so we now know the Moose is exceptionally tough. Definitely don't want to mess with the Moose. Unfortunately, this area is going to be cool now, but there's going to be no point coming here in the future because not really many items on the ground that I'm going to be able to pick up. All these crates don't respawn. Springs. Go away. I want to do stuff. Go away. There we go. Money, 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 money. Ooh, what's this? Leather jacket. Ooh. Have a look. Right, so we've got sleepwear, which we should be using when we sleep for maximum thingy. Tactical jacket. Leather jacket. No real difference between them. Got the winter one, which is good for the cold and insulation. Interesting. Is that all you've got? Nothing else? You know, just realised the game doesn't have a flare gun. First one had a flare gun. That was a fun thing to use. Let's see if there's any more. I think there's going to be any more loot up here. I tried spearing a deer, but they don't stay still long enough for me to do it. Ooh, I just hit it. I was just curious if I could. Yeah, definitely no more items up here. Okay, so interesting place. Golf carts here, but nothing else really. So I don't think I'm going to waste the GPS marker, if I'm honest. Although I might drive up and down and get some hide. Make some hide armor. Hey, these things just keep gathering around. Shame not to. Oh, wrong side. Right, let's get some hide. That sun's getting him away. Can't bloody see. One. You know, I just kind of realised, because I've got the turtle shells on me. When I set up a little tent away from home, I should set up a water collector as well. That way I've got water on the go, if I ever need it.
And this is Dana Point, California.
Fridays at 9 on KXTV.
Come on, Bambies. Where are you? Don't hide from me. It's two. You know what? We have 18. Oh, do you know? We could potentially go home with a full set of hide armor as well if this goes well. We've got a full set of bone. Not got some thingy. Creep. Need at least 10. Then yeah, this could actually be quite beneficial, this little area. Glad we discovered it. Alright. Need to drive up and down for a bit and get us some hide. Ooh. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. If I could run the moose over, I'm willing to bet that gives me some hide. I've got a feeling the moose is a wee bit too tough for me. Another one we can make.
Coconut cherry, future bar, protein.
That's right, just stay there.
Need it most.
Yes! Oh, it's still alive! Damn it! Oops, put that rock there. I wonder if this was supposed to be like an unofficial landing for the planes to get to the island. Bambies. I have to do a lot of driving back and forth, but it's gonna pay off. It's gonna pay off. Why is it when I find a tune, I'm like trying to kill things, so I have to get out the trick cart to get them, which means this tune stops playing. And try for the moose again. You know what? The science. Oh, shit. Science. Oh, hell yeah. Hey, buckshot slug can take it down in 1. 3. Oh, hell yeah. Right, sorry, Moose. You've just become endangered. The hobo with the shotgun would like to meet you, have a word with you, and then somewhat murder you. Wow. My car bounced all the way back here.
Fizzy energy drink, now in 3 new flavors. Thermal grape, bloody banana, and chillin' cherry. Blast off with Fizzy.
Yes. Ooh. Oh, shit. Mother. Okay, you little bastards. There you go. My dear. Screw you. I think I've lost those deer, but vengeance will be sought. Vengeance! That's right. You've lost an arm. I think I've also lost some of my bone armor. Oh, hang on. Something else is coming for me. I definitely lost my other moose. The other... Oh, speaking of. Let's drive this off.
Fizzy energy drink, now in...
There we go. Now we'll harvest you. Oh, yeah, here we go. Got so far. 7. Ooh, we're getting there. We're getting there. Ooh, animal pouch. Animal pouch. Skin pouch. You like them? Oh, hello. Hello. Welcome to the slaughterhouse. You'll love it here. There's cannibals. You can shoot them all day long. Yes, I'm feeling a bit tired. Wait a minute. Oh. We may have got lost track of time. It's almost night time. Well, Pudge, we're not going to make it home, so I'm going to have to stick it here, I think. Damn it, that cannibal scared the moose. Edith, you know what to do. You can jump in if you want. Ride shotgun. Edith, shoot it. Shoot it. Shoot it. Shoot it, Edith. Don't worry, I'm not leaving you. We're just going up hunting for hide for sunfalls. Because we lost track of time. Oh shit, war party. Full power! Edith! Come join the fun! It's awesome! Ow! This vehicle is reversing. Your life is about to end. Rip your leg. Oh, that's what. There you go. That's what you get. That's what you get. Come on here. Get him. Told you it was fun up here, Edith. You'll love it. Right, any skin pouches? Nope. 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 That Wolverine. Edith, either shoot it or I'm gonna ram it. Hi, Wolverine. Right, where's the deer? That needs to go. What the? I should be able to knock that over. I'm sorry. Ah! Thank you. Oh, where's the deer at? Ooh, oh, did I just absolutely wreck those? I'm just on a murder spree. Come on, where be the deer? There's one. Oh, I don't like the sound of that. Hey, I'll bet you a deal. Don't let me. You can eat the deer. I'll let you have it.
Coconut cherry.
How you doing?
Future bar.
How you doing?
For when you
Wanna ride?
need it most.
Game. Okay. No. You seem happy to see me, but you don't want to ride. Okay. That's fine. Just you keep murdering shit. Like this. Oh. That was precision. And also 99.999% recurring luck. Yeah, we're definitely going to need sticks because we're going to be out here for a while. You know what? I think with this place, I'm going to have to set up a little tent and see if we can try and sleep till daytime. Normally I wouldn't risk it, but we've got Edith with us, which is good. Still got a few hours of daylight. Let's get some more goodies. We can cook up some meat while we're here. We've got water. We could stay out for the day. You chose the wrong time to lie down. I think I'm hunting the Bambis to extinction. Moose! Hey, when they start galloping, because if they galloping at you, you're in trouble. Ooh, why not? There it is. Oh, yeah, it's almost night time. Okay. You'll be fine. It'll be fine. Where's Edith gone? Tell me Edith has gone. I really hope that Edith has not abandoned me. Kind of counting on her to keep me safe through the night. Oh, shit. Edith! Oh, Edith, you didn't abandon me. Come on, we'll go set up a little camp. Edith, thank you. Go on, Edith. Let's just see if they dropped any goodies, and then we're going to go set up camp. Oh! Edith wrecking their shit. This is like non-stop cannibals 30. I'm not sure if sleeping here is going to be a good idea, but we're going to have to. Come on, Edith. Follow me. I have a nice spot picked out for our camp. Uh-oh. Edith, you may want to look behind you. Really want to kill more of the deer, but getting dark. Oh, have I got 10? I've got 10 hide armor. Nice, right. Let's make some excess. Right, 7 left for placing my leaf armor, and then that's 3 sets of 10 armor we've got on us plus what we're wearing. So we're definitely in a better position. We just have to hope we don't get attacked at the night time. I also have to hope I have a goddamn tarp on me, because I've just realised I put a lot down before. I don't know if I've picked up any since. Oh, I do. I have 1 tarp. That's lucky. That is lucky. Get the Segway with us, because I'll lose it. Go you. I want your flesh, but I can't. Right, pop you here. You're just mocking me now, aren't you, you bastards? What we'll do is set up a little tent here. Save. Case this all goes tits up. Also gonna make a little campfire, so I've got some light. Oop, that is not how you make a campfire. If I do get woke up at night, at least I'll have some light to see what's going on. At least that's the plan. Just to make it a bit more obvious so I don't burn myself. Right, this is where we pray we don't get attacked at night. We're being attacked at night. Fuck! Okay. Edith, please, please, please don't abandon me. Edith, shoot him. Oh, shit! He's got up here. Oh, he's got up here! I was hoping I'd be safe up there. Edith, where have you gone? I need help. Edith! Shoot him! Shoot him again. He's still walking. Thank you. Woo. Nice. Teamwork, Edith. Come on. We can do this. I don't like the sound of that. That's a big one. That's a big one. Oh shit. Oh shit. Nope. Not even dropping me goodie bags either. Come on, Edith. We can do this. We can do this. Oh, yeah, goodie bag. Nice. Oh. That's what you get. Whoa! Edith, Wolverine! We've got a Wolverine! Hey. Also good. I can't find burnt out, but that's fine. Edith, where are you? Alright, see if we can sleep. Oh, thank God! Right, we've made it. We made it. Right. Let's head back. Why, thank you, Edith. You've brought me breakfast. See, this is why I like you. Kelvin doesn't bring me anything. I'm, yeah, you feel free to have some. I'm gonna eat some other food if you don't mind. There we go. And a pop. There you go. Breakfast of champions. An MRE and pop. Well, have 2 pop. It's a 2 pop morning, I think. Yep, that's right. You have your morning breakfast. Right, I need to figure out where the hell I am. Here I am. We need to go that away. A lot of lakes around here. I reckon if we go from around. Used all my buckshot as well, so I can't take on any mooses now, which is a shame because they give me some decent hide. Oh, for God's sake. Edith, I've got another one. Ooh, dude, you just picked the wrong day. You got a spear in the nuts and 7 rounds of pistol round followed up by buckshot. Just don't. Don't you hit Edith. Don't you hit Edith. Don't you hit Edith. Don't worry, Edith. I'll save you. You alright? I know, it's shocking. He hit you. Alright, come on, Edith. Let's go. This way, Edith. Follow me, please. If not, I'm gonna have to leave you. You have to make your own way home. I can't actually tell if she's coming towards me or not. I think Edith is happy here. Okay, that's fine. We're gonna go home, take this with us. Oh, crap. Ooh, grapes. The time. Let's see if this is the infinite spot. Infinite spot? That wasn't even English. Let's see if this is the infamous goddamn speak English. Starting again. New grave. New words. Let's see if this is the infamous spot where the fabled and mystical Bob the Builder of the island with his infinite supply of duct tape is hiding. We haven't found him yet. We've dug up a lot of graves, but we've not found him yet. But I'm confident we will. Also nope. And triple no. Never mind. Right. Moment of truth. Has he actually collected the logs? No, he hasn't. He's just left them all there. We may have to murder Kelvin. I genuinely do not know what he's been doing to maintain the base. He's not filled the rocks. Sticks were already full. He's not got any of the logs. What the fuck have you been doing? That stick? As in, have you literally just been building all this? Is that literally all you've been doing? You bastard. Right, you can be an aloe. And in a second, trying to remember what I've planted and what I haven't. I'll admit, you can be arrow leaf. Planted you. Planted you. You. That was good. Got you. And on you. Fireweed. You. Even have some chicory growing in my garden. Horsetail, need you. Snowberry seeds! I can grow snowberries! Holy hell! I need lots of snowberries before winter. Right, okay, everything's being snowberried. We need a massive stockpile of them to make loads of poison arrows. Everything else can literally get fucked. And twinberries. We can grow twinberries as well. Right, I've got one of everything, and then everything else is snowberry. Jamie can't grow mushrooms. Oh. You can? No fucking way. You can grow mushrooms. I've been playing this game for how long, and I didn't know you could grow mushrooms? I'm really hoping it's one of those, I harvest it and it just regrows. Right. Hopefully there's enough time of summer left to actually reap some rewards there. And if not, it's there for next summer. Wow. Okay. That is a game changer. Right. Need another temporary spear rack. So we seem to be collecting spears from the cannibals when they come visit. Oh, press the wrong button. Only temperate. I think Kelvin's collecting the logs finally. It only took 10,000 years for him to learn there was about 7 million logs stacked outside the house. And he's finally decided to start collecting them. There we go. Right, we are saving. This is good. This is good progress. We are saving this progress. Ida! Hello! How have you been? You been out murdering cannibals? I know you are. Ida, come here. Got a present for you. Might like it. Change of attire. Been in that one for a while. At least I'm hoping I've got you a change of attire. No, you've already got the tracksuit. Damn it! Sorry, I thought I had a change of attire for you, but I don't. Oh, looks like Kelvin got picked on whilst we were away. Now, that's because you're not picking up stuff outside the base. I'm just kind of curious what he's going to do here. There's, you can carry 2 logs. No, he really doesn't. He is useless. Absolutely useless at the moment. I'm guessing it's because obviously trees don't regrow, so everything's getting further and further away from him. But even when we've put stuff right in front of him, he's just not playing ball. So what we've ended up doing is setting up a second zip line here. And we can just zip them all into the container ourselves. Oh, damn! Edith, you just saved my ass. Yeah, is that funny? Is this funny? This funny? Tell me if this is funny. You're laughing now? You're laughing now? Are you? Not laughing now, are you, buddy? Edith, remember what I taught you? Tea bag. Your turn. Nope, she's not interested in the tea bag. Thank you, Edith. What are you doing over here? How are you doing over here? Sorry, Edith. I know that. Did she just try to? Did you just try to kick Kelvin? That's hilarious. She just tried to kick Kelvin because he weren't working. She's learning well. Edith is learning well. Isn't it amazing how now he seems to be repairing the base and actually doing his job? Right, I'll leave that there because I'll be using that. Right, it's almost dark, so let's use up what supplies we've got. Then we'll go out on a new day. Who knows, maybe whilst we're away, Kelvin will actually get good. Too slow to get that one. This one. Right, let's save. This is where we are going to go off and pray to God Kelvin actually does some work whilst we're away. Got everything we need. Got our tools, got some supplies, we've got armor. We've got bombs. Right, let's get exploring. Use the glider, as always, for speed. Oy, oh! I almost jumped into my own bloody spike ball, but I somehow bloody go through Ultra Instinct my ass out the way. And I did not get hit or lose armor. That would have been so frustrating. That was so freaking lucky. Oh. Oh. Mutants wandering around the cannibal camp. Oh. That's interesting. That happens sometimes because they do fight each other. Basically, they've taken over that camp. Interesting. I'd love to go down and deal with them, but I don't want to waste any time. Yeah. Oh, it's Edith. You scared the shit out of me. Do you know you sound a lot like, you know, a Bambi? And, you know, that could be bad because I can mistake you for Bambi and, you know, I like you. I like Bambi as well, but I like them. I like you alive. I like them not alive. Not intentionally. I wouldn't run Edith over. Edith is awesome. I've never had to discipline Edith once. She's just awesome. Hell, she's even now trying to help me discipline Kelvin. That's how awesome she is. Okay, that's steep enough for me to jump off. Yes! And away we go.